Hi, I'm Julianne, and I'm a yoga teacher passionate about teaching yoga for mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Today I have 3 yoga poses for you to begin building strength. The first pose is Utkatasana, chair pose. Bring your feet together and bend your knees. Take your knees back so that you can see your toes. And then sweep your arms up by your ears, pinkies facing in towards each other. And then hold here for a few breaths, building strength in your legs and the whole low body as a great foundational posture. So my second pose is a modified chaturanga. So you're gonna come onto hands and knees and walk the hands a bit forward so the body comes into a diagonal. Take the elbows back at 45 degrees and lower down halfway, nice and slow, and then press back up all the way. Inhale, take it down halfway, and exhale, press up. And start with about 5 and build up to as many as you'd like to do. Okay, the third pose for building strength is Virabhadrasana 2, or Warrior 2. So come into a wide-legged stance in your mat, your feet about 3 feet apart. You're gonna take your right toes straight ahead and the left toes parallel to the back of your mat. So your front heel is about aligned with your back arch. Let your hips sink straight down and take the arms out wide, gazing over the front fingertips. Pause here for a few moments. Feel the breath come in. As you exhale, feel yourself land here and really press actively into the feet so you can feel the legs engaged.